Alright, look here guys, we got the Just Add Nature How to Rig a Yum Dinger. So let's take our little fish here, open up the box. We've got everything we're gonna need. So we got our dingers, our wacky tool with our O-rings on it, and then our pair of pliers and our hooks. So here, let's open this up. Can you open up our dingers? All right, let's look at our map with our instructions. Look here, guys. So we got all of our fish labeled. And on this side, all right, here's how we're gonna do it. So we're gonna rig it wacky style. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this, we're gonna open our box. We'll get our pliers out and our hooks. Okay. We're gonna keep everything right there nice and neat in our box. Ooh, look at this. We have clear hooks. See ya? Let's see this. Let's see if we can get in here and get us out a dinger. Okay. Hold on. Let's get one out. Kai, you hold yours. Hold yours. All right, now we've got to put our O-ring. So we're going to slide it right up the tool there. We're going to stick it in here. Look, they even give you a slot to put it in right there. So we're going to slide it up on there. Roll it right off in their spot. Do yours. These hooks are so safe, so you can do them and not have to worry about it. Get it? Cool. All right, put that back in the bucket. Let's get yours rigged up.